at me like, girl, what is you doing? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just here. Okay, y'all, so I know it's been a few days since my fast, but I'm about to redo my pixie, so I'm like, let me record. I got my cup of tea because my voice is going out. As you guys know, I do be having persistent throat problems because of my irresponsible past and mishandling my voice. Gotta take some accountability, okay? It's currently 12:17. After I do my pixie, I am going to film myself also making the Adidas track skirt. I didn't show you guys the Adidas track pants that I made, but I want to make an Adidas styling video, film that. So I'm gonna do my pixie curls with this outfit. Hopefully it turns out how I want it. So y'all see how I just completely butchered my cut last time? What did I do? I don't know. I'm about to cut it a little more. Just in the front, because it was a little too long for my liking.
The me on the beach.
I'm happy I attempted to do it myself, because now that I know that I could do it, I'm only gonna get better. So yeah, the length is too long. It looks so cartoony. It's giving Betty Boop. Like, it's literally giving Betty Boop. I did my mold so much more better this time, guys. Like, all right, y'all. Oh, this chair sucks. I need a different one. I'm gonna make an Adidas style campaign. So originally I made this skirt super long, right? These was originally Adidas track pants. I made it into a maxi skirt, right? But the problem is when you get to the bottom, even though it has these zippers, it's so tight at the bottom that you can fall over and stumble. I'll be super quick. All I'm doing is cutting the hem shorter, like above knee length, because I don't want it to be long. I want it to be short, like a mini skirt. I'm just gonna sew a hem. That's it. Literally, this is the easiest project. I added my pins. I had a little dilemma, so I had to re-record this part. But I added my pins and I just cut my skirt in half. So I cut it at 14 inches lengthwise, but I left an extra inch for the hem. I'm about to show you guys what I cut, and then we're about to get to sewing. So yeah. I think I'm going to use this extra stuff to actually make a matching top. I feel like a matching top would just be so fly. Okay, y'all, this is what I cut out so far. So this is the bottom of the pants where the zipper is. I just wanted a zipper in the middle, and then I wanted a collared sporty top because I have something similar sketched out like this for my own brand, Sport is Sexy. So I wanted to attempt to try to make the top from my sketch to see if I could bring it to life. And it's also a very good idea because it's Adidas. So this is what I'm going for, with a nice collar in the front. Okay, you guys, so the top was successful. I'm gonna do a corset in the back. So I thought I was gonna do a zipper, but it's not giving zipper. I might make it shorter, to be honest. Don't be a hoe, Nancy. Okay, I was gonna wear this Cowboys jersey with it. I might just style it 2 different ways. And remember, this top is just a prototype of a top that I'm bringing to my own brand. So just seeing it come into fruition with the exact material that I want it made out of and letting me know that it's possible to achieve this makes me so happy. It's been a few hours. We're about to see exactly how this turned out. Ooh, I trying to cut my hair. Ooh, this molding looking good, y'all. What? Do y'all not see me swimming right now? I don't even think I want to pixie it yet or like curl it. I think I'm gonna just do my makeup and see what is given. I might just curl the back though. Nappy. The back look nappy, don't it? I know it look nappy. Oh, I need a haircut. Okay. What I will do to the back? Ooh. You're cute. Yeah. I'm probably gonna do the hem a little shorter because right now it goes here. But I feel like maybe just like another little inch tucked in. Y'all see how much of a difference that makes? Y'all, this is cute. I haven't put the corset in. I wish it could be a zipper. Adidas, sponsor your girl. Like, what? The way I just ate this up in like 2 hours, 3 hours is actually insane. What? And my hair look good. Just like this. I done went and tried on clothes. That's how much I like this hair right now. Yeah.